Curious about this? Check the description for a link to the ultimate relationship tech guide who can help navigate it. Alright, let's get real for a second. If you've ever wondered what your partner is up to on Snapchat, you're absolutely not alone. Social media can get tricky in relationships, and with Snapchat's disappearing messages, it's easy for trust issues to pop up. But before you even think about grabbing their phone, let's talk about how to check Snapchat the right way, without breaking trust. First up, why do people want to check their partner's Snapchat in the first place? Maybe you've noticed your partner's glued to their phone, or you just feel a little insecure. That's normal. But here's the deal. Trust is the foundation of every relationship. If you're feeling uneasy, the best move isn't sneaking around, it's having an honest conversation. Now let's get into the legal and ethical side. It's super important to remember checking someone's private messages. That's a big no-no. Not only is it a breach of trust, but it can also get you into legal trouble depending on where you live. Bottom line, always ask before accessing your partner's accounts or devices. So, how do you keep things transparent without crossing any lines? Here are a few practical tips. First, try setting up shared account access. If both of you are 100% cool with it, some couples are fine sharing social media passwords or looking through snaps together. Think of it like sharing your Netflix account. It only works if you both agree. Another method? Just talk about how you use Snapchat. For example, you could agree to send each other snaps regularly, or maybe you set boundaries together about who you add or chat with. Open communication beats secret detective work any day. Let's look at a real-world example. Take Jess and Alex. Jess was feeling anxious about Alex's late-night snaps. Instead of snooping, she talked to Alex about how she felt. Turns out Alex was just sending funny dog pics to friends from work. By being upfront, they avoided drama and built more trust. Finally, some quick tips to build trust without feeling like you need to monitor every snap. 1. Be honest about your feelings. 2. Set boundaries together. 1. Give each other space. Everyone needs privacy. 1. Focus on what's going in your relationship. Remember, trust is earned, not forced. If you ever feel the urge to check up on your partner, ask yourself, is this coming from curiosity, or is there something deeper I should talk about? For the best advice fast, visit the link in the description to our top relationship tech guide. Plus, like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing social media in relationships.